a dried chili pepper in the patty. Whoa, there it is.
Wow, it just comes out of nowhere.
Whoa. At its core, a burger is pure. Meat, cheese, bun. But if I've learned anything hosting this show, it's that a burger is always evolving. And when immigrant and first-generation chefs reimagine the burger, it's a whole different story. Today, I'm reuniting with my friend, YouTuber Casey Neistat. I'm gonna take him on an epic international burger tour to taste test 3 mind-blowing burgers that you don't wanna miss. Casey.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you. 6 feet apart, of course.
I know, I just want to give you a hug.
I know,
I'm not loud.
It's wild. I mean, we pulled out all the stops. Look at,
You got this beautiful diner.
Yeah,
and
we're good.
To be honest, I expected a little bit more with the food, but I understand that this is plastic.
It is plastic.
These are props that just happen to be in this amazing diner that we're shooting this in right now.
You're a year into living in Los Angeles? What are the differences between New York burgers, LA burgers?
I would say that like the LA burger scene, I think is top notch. I'm having a better time finding burgers out here that are exciting and new and fresh and are amazing than I think I did in New York. But like the pizza thing makes me a little bit sad. LA pizza sucks.
It sucks.
And anybody who says it's not.
Yeah, we're not even close.
No, it's like not even on the same level.
The last time we were in New York, we went to the Shake Shack Innovation Lab. We had some amazing secret off-menu, hard to get, lines out the door style burgers. And then now we're in LA. We're in a 50s diner where you would think that we would eat a burger that kind of looks something like this.
Right.
But we're not. We're in Los Angeles. We're in a melting pot or a mosaic of different cultures. And today, what I wanted to do with you was to try burgers from all walks of life here in Los Angeles.
Great, let's go. I'm starving.
My name is Daniel Sun. I'm the chef owner of Katsu Sando here in Chinatown. We're really inspired by Yoshoku cuisine, which is a Western-style foods that's been influenced to Japanese cuisine or culture, as well as convenience store foods. And so it's sort of our love letter from Japan. The word menchi literally translates into minced or a minced meat beef cutlet. It basically is the burger katsu of Japan. The best way I would describe it is like the crispiest burger with the crust sealing the juices of the meat. When we literally cut the sandwich in half, like as we're pulling, juice will run. Mostly all Katsu Sando restaurants or Katsu Sandos have used some sort of milk bread, which is also known as shokupan. Our sandos are with our own original recipe, honey milk bread. The type of beef that we use for our menchi is Australian Wagyu. We caramelize onions for about 4 hours in A5 Wagyu fat. And we render that out to a point where it's basically a jam. And so it's sort of like an umami bomb that acts as its own seasoning agent. I would say one tenderloin is about almost $1,000. We're probably not making any money on it. But then we gotta just make it memorable, right? So we pride ourselves in using something called namapanko in our breading procedure, and we actually import our namapanko from Japan. We create our own slaw that's sort of in homage to like a normal katsu restaurant that serves cabbage slaw on the side with a little bit of miso dressing. It really is just a refreshing hello. I would say like being a Korean American in LA, cooking in Yoshoku cuisine and introducing Katsu Sandos is like, yeah, I feel just right. It feels like I'm right in place. There are no rules. It's arms wide open food, and I think like the menchi is something that should absolutely be proud to be in the conversation.
This is the Katsu Sando Menchi Burger. They just opened in Chinatown right across the street from where I'm at. I'm not gonna lie to you, I've had this before. I've had it a lot. It's crack. It's basically like a burger that you would get in a Japanese convenience store. If you go to Katsu Sando, it looks like a Japanese convenience store. They have like all the drinks and the candies and this beautiful beast right here.
He takes the meat, patties it, and then breads it.
And then fries it.
And then fries it.
Look at that. Ooh, baby.
Oh my God.
Lots of umami going on in there. My tongue is on high alert. It's like fireworks going on right now.
You know, it's funny. If I were like close my eyes and bite into this, I don't know that I would come back and say it tastes like a burger.
Right. By definition, a burger is ground meat in between a bun. Bun, chopped meat, qualifies.
No, it's fantastic. I'm such a loyalist when it comes to burgers. This is way outside the wheelhouse, but my God. And this bread, holy shit.
It's so good. So this kind of reminds me of Louis' Lunch in Connecticut, right?
Because they serve between bread.
Exactly. I'm getting like the brick wall, Smithsonian style vibes right now too at the same time. So it's not that far off.
Right, so it went around the world, but it came full circle.
You can tell it's still uniquely Japanese in its own right. It's a great representation of the American burger. On to the next burger.
Let's go.
This is Knuckle, owner of Badmaash.
This is Arjun, owner of Badmaash.
Badmaash is badass. It's the first fucking Indian restaurant to do it. You already know what time it is.
I'm an addict for sneakers, butter chicken, and bitches with beepers. Here at Badmaash, we serve the spiced lamb burger. It's one of the cornerstones of our menu because we are American Indian, Indian in America. And the most American thing you can eat is a hamburger. Our parents used to have lots of friends over in the summers. Weather's nice, so everyone's in the backyard barbecuing. There was this huge spread of Indian food. And then for us kids, we were just like, we don't want Indian food. I always eat Indian food. I want hot dogs. I want hamburgers. Like, I distinctly remember our uncle, Dad's older brother, our Tauji,
the man.
him laughing at me saying, "Okoi nahi, just throw the lamb kebab in the burger. It's lamb burger."
Yeah, straight up, man.
First things first, we start with good meat and good bread. So our meat is New Zealand lamb shank. We clean and butcher them in-house, grind them in-house every single morning. We add some spice and some flavors to it. Finely chopped onions, serrano pepper, and other Indian spices. Our first thought was like, it's gotta have a crunch and it's gotta have some onion bite because that's an Indian thing. We created this paprika spice mayo, and it's kind of like our version of like an Indian secret sauce.
Me and Knuckle were hanging out. We got a call. Alvin Kylon hit me up on the 1-2.
1-2.
Pick up the phone.
Hello.
And he said, yo, burger show pulling up.
Pull up.
Do something dumb. Cheeseburger, samosa.
Hosa.
It happened.
So I was like, all right, bun, samosa shell, triangle of meat, a triangle of American cheese, a triangle of meat, a triangle of American cheese.
Only way, dude.
Fold over the short dough pastry, press and seal, and then drop it in the fryer.
Dunk it. Shout out to Markham.
Markham, Canada. McCowan and Denison.
You already know what time it is.
Middlefield.
What up? Hard meat, what up?
What up?
This is burger number 2, the spiced lamb burger from Badmaash. You're in for a treat.
And what's this like? Is this a samosa? What is this?
Yeah. So as a surprise, because they're my brothers, I've been trying to get them to make this for a really long time. Finally want to debut the cheeseburger samosa. It's a special treat. It's not available at the restaurant yet, but this is gonna be fantastic.
Wow, that is special.
That is just as good
Holy smokes.
as the first time I had it.
This is one of those things where if I take my wife here and I introduce her to this burger, I'm gonna be on good terms with her for like a month.
You have to take her.
That's how good this burger is.
The spiced lamb, the raw onion, the tomato.
The sweetness of the bun does something with the spiciness of the lamb, and it's like, it's a really good marriage.
It's basically lamb kebab, but pattied out like a burger in burger form. And honestly, it's one of Los Angeles' gems.
Yeah, no kidding. Wow, fantastic.
I can't wait to try the next one.
Okay, what's the order of operation here for this?
So from what I'm told,
Okay.
you dip it into this special burger sauce.
Okay.
And then try to scoop up some lettuce, and then you take a bite. Oh, wow.
This though has a donut vibe going.
It was so good. The cheese is like perfectly melted. It's super hot. When I have good burgers and there's like shredded lettuce left on like the plate, I always scoop it up like that.
It's the best salad you've ever had.
Yeah.
Is this gonna be on the menu?
If not, I'm gonna tell them to make it for me and I'll put it on mine. Again, it shows the diversity of like what a burger can be. Putting your love, your culture, your family into it, you feel it.
The taste that this has is a completely different world.
So the third burger,
Okay.
I'm a little worried.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna kick our butt. It's legendary here in Los Angeles.
Okay. Was that deliberately left last because these were burgers that just give you a kiss right on the face and say I love you, and now we're gonna get our asses
Oh yeah,
kicked?
now we're gonna get tested.
I'm ready. I brought my A game.
You know, you're a veteran.
Yeah, I did that last dab. What other questions you have?
All right, let's do
Bring
the
it
next
on,
one.
bring it
Let's
on.
go.
My name is Jazz Singh Sanong. I'm a co-owner of Jitlada. I born in southern of Thailand. I came to America in 1979 with one suitcase and $200. I think southern Thai people eat very, very strong taste and very, very spicy. It's crazy spicy. Crazy than Howling chicken. Have to be very tasty, not like chili burn and no taste at all here. Spicy but tasty every time that they order burger. And I heard the word, oh my gosh. Burger is spicy because I add the Thai chili inside of the burger that I never tell anyone. You prepare the lettuce on the plate and 3 slices of tomato and then put the burger on, slide the red onion on top and slide the Thai chili on top and then pour them with the yellow sauce and red sauce. Juicy, tender, flavorful and spicy, no ketchup. Yeah, I made my burger to comfort my kid to go to school. She feel like she not look like them, you know, like they eat burger, they eat American food, and she don't have American food from home. When she was kid, the burger not spicy when I sent to her school. But when you walk into Jitlada, all my food is spicy. I cannot serve you regular burger. Jit, that mean heart. And Lada, another word that mean woman heart. Women have a good heart.
Here it is. It doesn't look like a burger.
Nope.
It kind of looks like a salad.
Yep. I'm a little worried because like your crew here like came over urgently with this stack of napkins. And then they've also been like secretly surrounding me with water bottles.
Yeah.
Just kind of giving me this look of compassion and sympathy, like, good luck, soldier. You're gonna need it.
This has made all the top burger lists in Los Angeles for years.
Okay.
So it's gotta be good.
I'm ready. And what's the approach here? What do you advise? Like, is there anything I need to make sure I'm getting?
You know,
is there something I want to avoid with this fork?
Let's get a bite. Let's put everything on.
Okay, well, I'm going right into the heart then. Do you think this bite is too ambitious?
We're gonna find out.
Okay.
Salud.
My mouth just did that thing where it like completely coated itself.
It's protecting itself. Mine too.
All right, here we go.
Whoa, there it is.
Wow, it just comes out of nowhere like a,
Whoa.
it was like a car accident happened in my mouth.
Sweet.
It's like that candy that Veruca Salt had where she's like, now I taste turkey dinner. And she's like, blueberry pie. Because when it first hits your mouth, you're like, yo, this shit is sweet and
good.
delicious. Yeah, and all of a sudden it's like, oh, cool, there's a little spice here. And then it's like, hey man, you just crashed your car into a building. And I need to go to the bathroom.
It was a mistake
and
to start
excuse myself.
talking mid-bite because it creeps on you.
I'm really surprising myself over here. This is
It gets hotter.
fantastic.
Yeah.
Okay,
It gets hotter.
where's the heat coming from?
Look at what I just cut this, okay?
What'd you find? Busted.
This is in the patty. There's a chili pepper, a dried chili pepper in the patty. That is what's killing me.
And I completely understand how necessary like these huge hunks of iceberg lettuce are.
Yeah.
Like the coolness of the lettuce, the coolness of the tomato. This is a 10 out of 10 home run for me over here.
I love it.
This is extraordinary.
It's in and around the confines of a burger.
A brilliant chef that I know told me that some think of spice as like an excuse to cover up for a lack of flavor.
Right.
And this guy was a genius. He told me that like 10 minutes ago. You guys did not oversell the spiciness. It's as hot as you said it would be, but it is such an enjoyable heat and like it's such a purposeful heat.
If you had to pick one, which one are you going back to?
You know, I feel like I was going on and on about the lamb burger and bringing my wife there, but this stands alone. Like this is, and I say this without trying to like be hyperbolic or anything, like this was one of the best culinary experiences I've ever had in my entire life. Like,
Yeah,
I've
this
never
is a game
tasted
changer.
anything like this.
As much as they are so different from the meat cheese bun experience that we sell on this show, these are still hamburgers. And if this is the future of burgers,
I'm psyched.
I'm excited. Dude, Casey, thanks for sharing this international tour of burgers with me.
Thanks for having me. Thanks for the burgers. And are you guys gonna have one of these? I'll try it. Yeah. No, it's that fucking good. I'm not kidding. This is really extraordinary.
What's up, everybody? Thank you for watching The Burger Show. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. If not for me, for the burgers. Thank you.